Chloe, wherever you are, Chloe has started crawling. Chloe, well, not really crawling, but army crawling. Yesterday I put her in here. Let's see if I can show you. And she crawled all the way into the kitchen, about in here. So quite a ways. Chloe, hey, can you come get this? Can you show us how you crawl? What is it?
It's Chloe.
Yeah, watch out, Maddie.
Can you sit by you, Mom?
Yeah, you can sit by me. Come get it, Chloe. Come get it. Come on. I don't know why this Zoom is not working. Hey, 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 come here. Can you come get it? Get the book.
How many lambs in the house?
Can you come get it?
4 lambs.
Get it. And an inching. Doing the inchworm thing. You're a mover. Congratulations, Chloe. You are officially the fastest crawler that we've ever had in this house. Usually all of our kids start crawling around 8 months, not 6 months.
Turn the page to hear more.
Anyway, can you say, hi, Grandma and Grandpa? Hi, Papa and Mima.